See, today, yeah, team, good morning. Today our concept is Tableau calculation, right? Tableau calculation. That is the 100% of the backbone of the Tableau. So Tableau ki main important ante calculations. But ఈ calculations అని చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. బట్ ఏంటంటే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎవరు ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేయరు. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ అండ్ ఇక్కడే అన్ని here also they can maintain everything here also. Okay. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ ప్రతిది కూడా ఇక్కడే మనం చేస్తా ఉంటాం, రైట్? సో యూ కెన్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ ద యాక్షన్ హియర్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, ఇక్కడే మనం ప్రతిది కూడా విజువలైజేషన్ యూజ్ చేసి మౌస్ ద్వారానో లేకపోతే సో ఇలాగే మన యాక్షన్స్ అన్ని విజువలైజేషన్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తా ఉంటాం. బట్ హియర్ కమింగ్ టు calculation, what is the use of calculation, what is the calculation, how you can apply the calculation, how many types of the calculation, that is the most important. See here I'm going to apply how to, what is the first going to, what is the calculation. So what is the calculation? Okay, that is the new field of the ఇక్కడ అన్ని కూడా ఇక్కడ టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, డైమెన్షన్ ఫీల్డ్, మెజర్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఎక్స్ట్రా ఫీల్డ్ యూ కెన్ క్రియేటెడ్. వై యూ కెన్ క్రియేటెడ్? సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇవన్నీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఫీల్డ్స్. సో ఈ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఫీల్డ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి యూ కెన్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ ద మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఫంక్షన్స్. సో అదర్ దన్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఏమవుతుందంటే మనం ఇంకా హై అండ్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఫంక్షన్ యూజ్ చేయాలనుకోండి, దెన్ యూ కెన్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ ద extra field. You can create the extra calculated field. So that is called as the calculation. So that is a mathematical function. You can create the extra calculated field for the what are the existing columns. Okay, existing columns A1 you need to create one additional field anamata. So additional field create cheyadaniki మనం we can use the mathematical functions. Okay, now here see this is the drop down. You can able to say this is the create a calculated field. Okay, now right click on any dimension field here. So right click any dimension field, you have to create the so calculate field. Okay, any measure field you can create the calculate field. Okay, go to analysis tab. Here you can create the calculate field. Okay, so go to coming to back here, you can able to see this is the empty space is there, na? So in the empty space you can create the calculation. Right click here or else one second. See this is the, see here also you can create the empty space. Using empty space you can create the okay, no worries. So multiple ways you can create the calculation field, right? So this is the one type of calculation field you can create the by using a drop down. Now right click any dimension field, create the calculation. Any measure field you can create the calculation, and also analysis tab you can create the calculation field. So here also double click, it will create the temporary calculation field. Multiple ways you can create the calculate field. So ఉన్న ఫీల్డ్స్ కంటే ఆ ఫీల్డ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి ఇంకా మనం అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఫంక్షన్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి అండ్ విజువలైజేషన్ చేయడానికి we can use the calculation methods. Okay, now we are going to create the calculation field. Okay, now I'm going to create the calculation field. Yeah, thus now I'm creating the calculation field. Here you can apply you can give the name here. So whatever your wish. Okay, based on one column field or dimension field, you can give the name here. Okay, now for example I'm giving the some ratio something here. You can give anything here, no worries. Okay, then here I'm typing the some query. Okay, so these are the free different queries available in the Tableau. Okay, suppose I'm going to I'm giving the round function here. For example, round, keep the round function. So automatically it will show the defined functions here. Okay, Tableau already insert చేసి ఉంటారు required fields అన్ని కూడా. So coming to Power BI, ఇటువంటి ఏం ఉండవు అక్కడ. Manual you can type in the row cell or columns. So Tableau వచ్చేటప్పుడు you can type here. ఇక్కడ sum కావాలనుకోండి you can sum అని టైప్ చేస్తాం అక్కడ, రైట్? కానీ ఇక్కడ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఏదైతే మనకి డిఫైన్డ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆటోమేటిక్లీ ఇట్ విల్ డిస్ప్లే అన్నమాట. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రన్నింగ్ సమ్ విండోస్ సమ్ అని ఉంటే ఆటోమేటిక్లీ యూ కెన్ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ డిస్ప్లే అన్నమాట. సి సపోజ్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు అప్లై ద ఇఫ్ ఫంక్షన్, ఇఫ్ సి ఇట్ విల్ డిస్ప్లే ద ఇఫ్ నాట్ సంథింగ్. ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే డేట్ ఫంక్షన్ హియర్, సి డేట్ యాడ్, డేట్ డిఫ్. సో ఇలాగా డిఫైన్డ్ అన్ని ఫంక్షన్స్ అన్ని ఇందులో ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్బిల్ట్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి. టాబ్లూ వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసేది. సో మనం ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసుకునే వన్ వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేసుకుని వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ద function here. Okay, now, so for example, I'm going to create the one created calculable for the understanding what are the functions, what are the identifiers, what are the parameters we can identify in the calculation field here. Okay, so now I'm going to here create one calculation field. So for the understanding purpose, I'm giving that. So I'm not giving any data types and anything. Here I'm going to give you some simply and give the name here. Okay, apply. Okay, so this is the parameter, right? This is the parameter. So here it will display the on parameter column under the dimension field. Okay, so now I'm taking the parameter into the calculate field. So it will display the color is what is it? This color, pink color, right? So this color belongs to pink color. So based on this color, we can identify the parameter. Okay, now I'm taking the one function here. Suppose here I'm taking the upper this. I'm taking the upper function. Okay, for understanding purpose. So this is the this is color will be what is this color? Remove the one sub parameter here. So upper color. Okay, upper color. So this is the blue color, right? This is the blue color. Now I'm going to take the parameter. This is the parameter pink color, right? Right. Now I'm going to take the one one sales or anything you have to take that. See, we can identify the calculations based on this function. So this function is belongs to blue color belongs to functions. Okay, so pink color belongs to pink color. What is this color? You can call as the something. See, you can identify. Okay, so based on this color belongs to parameter. Sorry, this color belongs to measure value. So gray, pink color belongs to parameter. Okay, blue color belongs to functions. So ఇలా మనం calculation field we can identify the based on the colors what are the fields present. So ఏ field ఏ కలర్ చెందిందో ఇక్కడ మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు. So again we are going to create one LOD function. Okay, so here I'm going to give the fixed calculation, right? So fixed calculation. See, this is the fixed calculation. Now I'm going to fix it. Okay, see, this fixed calculation mean function belongs to blue color. Okay, now I'm taking the one dimension here. Okay, now I'm taking, for example, I'm taking the subcategory here. So it will go into the one color. Here I'm going to apply. We are going to apply sales here. Okay, see that based on this color you can identify the same as I'm going to here. I'm remove the subcategory whatever it is. I'm giving the parameter here. See, it will display the some color. See, based on this color you can identify the which column belongs to. మనం అలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు అన్నమాట. That is about the. So that is the about. Here blue color belongs to function, right? Now you can give the blue color here. Blue colors means you can type the uppercase. Okay, uppercase. Okay, this is the blue color, right? This is the blue color. And the lowercase. Okay, this is the blue color, right? Now and the index here. These are the blue color. So ఎందుకు ఈ కలర్స్ గురించి చెప్తున్నా అంటే at the type of interview లో, so what is the calculation, how you can create the calculation, so how you can identify the fields, that is the question. How you can identify the fields? So based on the color code. Okay, so blue color belongs to the always blue color belongs to the functions. Okay, now this is the function, right? So here so many functions are available. Suppose here I'm going to see these are the functions. Multiple functions available in the table calculation, right? Click here, it will display the number function. These are the different types of number function. So these are the string function. So these are the functions. Suppose here I'm going to apply. Suppose I'm going to here apply. I'm taking the character. So click here. See, this is the function. If you want to click the another one, left function. See, left. So length function. See, L trim. Okay, max. Okay, click that one. It will display the blue color. Okay, mid function. So min function. So these are the blue color belongs to the functions. Okay, now and now select remove all. Now we are going to fields. Okay, these are the function means you can apply the blue color, right? So suppose I'm going for understanding purpose, I'm taking the length function. Okay, I'm taking length. Now this is the blue color belongs to the function. Here I'm going to category, that is the field. Here I'm taking the drag and drop here. Okay, so this category belongs to the orange color, right? This is the field. Field means dimension field or measure fields. Okay, dimension columns are measure columns. These are the orange color, right? Now we are going to take the parameter. So this is the parameter which is created by the drop down. You can create the parameter like this. You give the name. So apply. Okay, this is the parameter, right? If you create the calculator field, when create parameter here. Now I'm going to apply. So this is the, so this parameter belongs to this color is violet color, like just like violet color. Okay, so violet color lo manaki display cheyabadi. Now so more, so ఇలా మనం ఒక calculate field use చేస్తాం, fields use చేసుకుని మనం చేస్తాం. Suppose for example I am taking the profit here. Okay, this is the field, you can identify the orange color, right? Now I'm going to apply the plus symbol. Okay, I'm taking the sales here. Okay, now the calculation valid. సో బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు, మీరు ఇంత ముందు క్లాస్లో ఎప్పుడన్నా ప్రాఫిట్ ప్లస్ సేల్స్ ఎక్కడన్నా చూసారా క్వరీని? మాన్యువల్ మనం ఏమైనా అప్లై చేసామా? చేయలేదు. సో మనం వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ది ఎక్స్ట్రా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఫీల్డ్, ఒక న్యూ ఫీల్డ్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ మనం ప్రాఫిట్ ప్లస్ సేల్స్ అని పెట్టామనుకోండి, సో ద ఆన్సర్ విల్ బి వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. సపోజ్ అప్లై. ఓకే ఓకే, హియర్ ప్రాఫిట్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేశాను. ఓకే, అండ్ సేల్స్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేశాను. Okay, now I'm taking the category also, drop చేసాము. సో ఇక్కడ పెడదాం మనం. Okay, so I'm going to apply the text field here. Okay, see profit to sales apply చేస్తాం. Now I'm creating the on extra field, that is the ratio. Now ratio, type here ratio created or not. So this is the ratio and drag and drop it to the, so I'm keeping the here also. See the values are like this. See you can apply the plus symbol, right? Edit calculation field, you can check it. So if you check the profit plus sales, it will display the what is the addition of the values, right? So profit and sales is equal to something value, right? Check it here. 19 plus 754, it will display the 774. 126 plus 736, so 857. 146 plus 83, something value, that is the calculated field. So before, did you find anything here? Profit plus sales అనే ఏదైనా కాలమ్ లో మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసామా? లేదు. So if you want to create the extra calculation, suppose here I'm going to apply, I'm giving the minus value. So see the values are like this. Apply. Okay, see the values are minus, right? If you want to see, so I'm giving the into function, right? So here apply. Okay, so you can see the multiplication, right? So this is the extra calculated field. We can use the calculation method, right? Got my point here? Again I'm saying here, remove all, clear all. Okay, now it is just like now create calculated field. Okay, created calculated field, the calculation give any name for us you. So my ABC, you can give the ABC here, right? So I want to display the profit plus sales, or profit to minus sales, or profit into something, value you can apply here. So suppose here I'm going to total, so total sales. Okay, here give the calculation value, whether the calculation valid or not, you can check it. So total will not work in the here. See, all fields must be aggregated. So any code aggregate is happening. Now if you apply the remove the total, now give the sum of sales here. See the sum of sales is validated, right? The calculation valid. Apply. Okay, now I'm taking the category here. Now I'm going to apply the, what is that name here? ABC. So drag and drop here. So it will display the value legs. Okay, again I'm taking the sales here, keep here. See the values are like. Okay, so based on this we can apply the queries. Got my point here? I think you can understand that. Okay. Now again I'm create one calculate field here. Again I'm create one calculate field here. So first one. I'm going to apply here. So first one is function. I'm taking the upper function. So upper. The upper means the value, the string values are, it will give the case uppercase. Okay. So here I'm taking the category or something. Simply I'm taking the category here. Okay. Category. Upper category. Okay, category. See, you can identify, this is identified, blue color indicate the function. So field indicate the orange color, right? Now I'm taking the one parameter. See, parameter. See, this is the most important. Okay, this is the blue color. Okay, just function. Okay, this is the function. Okay, and this is the orange color. Okay, belongs to field or columns or dimension, right? Field. Now this is the parameter. Okay, now this color is violet color. Okay, violet color. So this is the different types of the fields we can create in the calculation field. Okay, so based on this calculation, we can show the multiple calculations. Okay, for example, again I'm going to here. This is the function. What are the defined function available in the Tableau? So this is the number function. It will display the sum function here. So now I'm going to string function. It will display the multiple functions. Okay. Now I'm going to date function. It will display the sum functions. Now I'm going to type conversion. It will display the sum functions. Now I'm going to logical function. It will display the sum function. Okay. Now I'm going to aggregate function. It will display the sum function. Now I'm going to user function. It will display the user function. Now I'm going to table calculation. It will display the sum function. Okay. Now special function. It will display sum function. So, but here nearly thousands of functions available in the calculation. But you can apply the only number function. It will take the only 10 to 15 calculation. String function 5 to 6 calculation. So real time you can apply. Okay. So date function you can take the 10 functions. Okay. Now type conversion you can take the sum function here. Only date function and so only int function only you can apply here. Okay. Logical function. In the logical function, case function, else if, and if null. So up to here you can apply. Okay. Next aggregate function, and we can apply average, count to quantity, and minimum where, like that you can apply the sum. You can take the sum function. So user function, you can create the users. How to use the users. Okay. Now going to table calculation. In the table calculation, we can see these are the running function and Windows function, first to last index. So based on that, you can identify the function here. Okay, that is about the calculation. So what is the calculation? One fields toti sometime mathematical function possible out. So here I want to display the sales and profit in the plus symbol. But ఇక్కడ మన ఈ ఫీల్డ్ తోటి సేల్స్ ప్లస్ క్వాంటిటీ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఇస్, ఈ రెండు మనం సమ్ చేయడానికి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎటువంటి ఫీల్డ్ లేదు. So that time you can create the extra calculated field by using these methods or calculation methods, right? Suppose here I want to display the another category. Now category though good kaval. How you can create the category? So for example, I am taking you can understand, profit I am taking here, quantity I am taking here. Okay, now I want to display the category here. See, you can keep the upper side here. Okay, now keep the text value. Okay, keep the text value. See, here I wanted to create one calculated field. Suppose here I'm going to apply the city here. You can apply city here. Remove these names. Remove these names. Okay. Okay. Here I wanted to create one extra calculated field. For example, here ABC. How to remove the ABC? So we can create the extra calculated field. The extra calculated field is there. We can remove the ABC. Okay. So for example, sales drag and drop in text. It will hide the ABC. So now dimensional field tote how you can hide the ABC. So then you can create the extra calculate field. Okay, so that is the category. So I'm giving the category here with the single quote. You can apply the category here. Okay, so category, then apply. Okay, see the category drag and drop into the category drag on the columns here. See, this is the field you can extra field you can create, right? Now this category drag and drop to text field. So what happened here? So ABC automatically remove అయిపోయింది, right? Now this category, right click here. So right click cat here. Now hide the field here. See, the category extra category create చేయబడింది. So based on this you can create the extra calculate field. Okay, ఇలా మనం different method లో extra calculate field అని create చేస్తామంట. Now this is about the overview of the calculation field. So what is the calculation? Calculation is the extra field, that is the custom field by create the developer. So based on this drop down, alage right click and dimension, right click and the measure field, go to analysis, you can create the calculation field. So how you can identify that which field belongs to which type of the function అనేది మనకు తెలియదు. So that's time you can create the calculator field. Okay, then drag and drop into the field into the calculation. It will display the orange color. Take the parameter, it will display the violet color. Take the function. Okay, take the function. So take the function here, it will display the blue color. So based on this you can identify this one. Okay, for example I'm taking an example here. So I want to display the customer name here. Okay, so I want to display the customer name into the uppercase. Okay, here I'm going to apply the uppercase. Okay, now create calculate field. I'll give the uppercase here. Okay, uppercase, this is the function. So now I'm going to apply the string here, that customer or name drag and drop into the between the brackets, right? Okay, now see, so now I want to display the uppercase. Apply. Okay, see this upper function drag and drop into the row cell, so it will display the uppercase, right? So this is the extra column you can మనం ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేసి అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. Again I'm creating another field. That field is a lower function here. See, I'm going to apply the lower function here. Okay, thus this customer name apply. Okay, okay, this lower function drag and drop here, it will display the lower function. Okay, suppose I'm going to apply the give the some name here. Product proper, give the proper name here. This is the function. See here you can identify the f is the function. Okay, f belongs to function here. So ABC belongs to the string. Okay, this is profit belongs to the measure value. Okay, likewise you can identify. So now I'm going to here function. So proper, see the proper, give the name customer name. Okay, string name is customer name. See, apply. What happened here? See P drag and drop here, click here. See what happened here? See R1 Bergman is the same R1 Max. Okay, starting with the A capital letter lo ఉంటాయి. So ఇక్కడ entire capital letter, ఇక్కడ entire small letters. So based on this you can create the calculation piece. Okay, I hope you can understand what is the calculation. Now we are going to